Okay, up on the bench now is a vintage Skil saw 1632. This one has the original bar and chain. The chain's not in such great shape. It is complete and not missing any pieces. The original switches are intact. Choke on, off. This saw has excellent compression, 160 psi. Unfortunately, it does not have spark. You will need to address the spark issue, cleaning the carburetor, fuel line, the usual things, or put it on the shelf. Would make a great display wall hanger. Use the link below for pictures and details, and to buy this saw right now in our eBay store for only $69.99 plus shipping anywhere in the US. $69.99 puts this chainsaw on your doorstep faster than you can say chainsaw. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.